It's that time of year. Fall is out at Dollar Tree. I can't wait to show you all the new items. Let's start out over by the pumpkins. Now I'm seeing some pumpkins that we've seen in years past and some new ones. These faux wool pumpkins are definitely new and they come in 4 different colors. Actually, they have 5 colors. With the traditional white pumpkins, they've also added in some gourd options. These natural pumpkins were very popular last year. They also go fast, so if you like them, pick them up when you see them. They also have these really cute moss pumpkins. These were super popular last year, so if you see them, pick them up. This one back here definitely looks new. These are called plush pumpkins, and they remind me of those Sherpa pumpkins that we've made in years past. These fall trays are definitely new this year. They come in so many different varieties. There's several different acorns. They also have the pumpkins in a bunch of different colors, and then you can get a leaf. It looks like there might have been another color back there. These are new. I haven't seen these patterns before, but I think they're really good ones are down here. These gray ones. Oh yeah, these are cute. Check this one out, super cute. And it looks like the mushroom trend is definitely back this year. There's so many pumpkins to choose from. We're used to seeing this wall with all the fall signs here at Dollar Tree. There's a few new items I want you to be on the lookout for. The first thing is this wall decor piece. This is a wood block and it's a pumpkin already painted. It also comes in a leaf and then there's a white pumpkin. This would be so great in so many of our DIYs. I could definitely see using this in a ton of different crafts this fall. The item that I'm most excited about are these large pumpkin blocks. Look how big these are. They've had some in the past that are a little bit smaller. This is gonna be perfect for a DIY. I'm gonna pick up 4 of them. They have a couple new tubs that you can use really for a bunch of different crafts to put florals in them. There's this silver one and then they also have an orange one. They have several varieties of these faux books. These are great to put in your decor. They're already done. You can add candles to them or anything you like. Whenever I'm putting together a wreath for the fall, I like to throw in some smaller elements. I thought these would be great. They're these little smaller pumpkins, and I could just cut these off and add them to my wreath. If you plan to DIY this fall, you definitely want to join my Facebook group, Liz Fenwick DIY. It's a great community where I'm going to be sharing my favorite crafts this fall, and you can share yours as well. I'll put the link to join down in the description box below, or you can just go to Facebook and search Liz Fenwick DIY group. They have this entire wall of fall craft supplies for all the great fall crafts you can do. I love getting these larger placemats. These are great. You can use them as stencils. If you're making a rug, just place this down and you can spray paint over it. I'm seeing a pumpkin and this leaf. All of the pumpkin picks are back in stock. I use a ton of these in so many different crafts in the fall. There's a bunch of woodcraft options. And here are the new selections of ribbon for this year. Every time I come to Dollar Tree, it seems like they have new dinnerware out. Do you remember those blue plates that I found last time? Well, this time they have them here in gray. This is the large gray plate that they have. They also have the bowls, and you can pick them up in the small dinner plates. You can get all of the different pot holders in gray. They have placemats, and then a really popular item right now are to get these mini mitts. If you thought the gray plates were good, check out these black and white ones. I love these. These look so similar to those plates that I have at Walmart. They have the larger plates. You can also get them in the smaller plate style. Here's what the bowls look like. And you can also pick up the mugs. Now, I've never seen black charger plates before. They have those here at Dollar Tree. But I think the item I'm most excited about are these fluted glasses. These are so popular right now. You can get this larger version, and these are glass. And then you can also get this smaller version. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is fall. The front of my store has a ton of really great school and office supplies out right now. You can get some great deals. One of my favorite items I want to point out to you guys, because it's only available this time of year, is this organizer. It's a cup caddy that's perfect, and it's used to put like crayons or paintbrushes in. I love it for organizing around my house, and you have to pick it up this time of year. There's a lot of these really large wood stencils in the Halloween items. Yes, the Halloween items are already out, but let me show you this jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. I thought this was pretty cool. How big is that? Just $1.25. So I would love to know if you prefer to decorate for fall or Halloween. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. But Dollar Tree already has out the Halloween items, like these wooden signs here. I think these are really cute and adorable. You also have these great Halloween pumpkin picks. And one thing we're picking up, we've already thrown it in the cart, are these little Halloween houses. These are very popular right now on Pottery Barn's website. So I'm gonna be doing several house DIYs this year. And there's so many great Halloween picks this year. Dollar Tree has out these gorgeous rattan boxes right now for just $1.25. So you've probably seen these little orange hanging jars, but have you seen them in clear before? I feel like this is the first year they're in clear. Let me know down in the comments. And these vases are so modern, gorgeous. I spotted an end cap with all of the ceramic pumpkins. Now, some of these I've seen before, but some are new, like this realistic pumpkin. It's got this flat bottom here that's pretty cute. I love the blue, kind of mint green color of these. How adorable are all these organizer colors? I love picking these up because you can't find these throughout the year. This is a great organizer. You don't just have to use it for school supplies, great for underneath your bathroom sink. They even have these smaller ones. These are great for craft supplies. You could put your brushes in here, your glue gun, so many options. I spotted some new candle holders over here in this section. So cute, and would be perfect with a tapered candle inside. The Dollar Tree Plus section is not disappointing with all their new fall items. They have faux mercury pumpkins in this silver color. They also have them in orange. These are $5. It looks like they also have a gold color. This Hello Fall cheese board is just $3. One of my favorite items last year was this Hello Fall Lazy Susan. It's $5 and would be great sitting out on your table. You could add a flocked pumpkin garland to your mantle for just $3. There's lots of larger pumpkin options. I have a DIY in mind for this metal pumpkin, so I'm gonna pick this up. How cute are these large, adorable vintage signs? They're $5. You could put these out for Halloween. They also have these vintage style signs back this year. I noticed something new over here in my vase section that I haven't seen before. I saw these signs that say $5 and $3, and I'm thinking, okay, what's over here that's $5 and $3? They just put larger candles and larger vases over here. This vase right here, definitely substantial, priced at $5. They have several options here. Like this is another one. This one's priced at $3, a lot bigger than our normal ones. This one too down here, you guys, is just a larger version of the other glass they have. This is $3. Yes, it's a little bit more, but these might work in some of our DIYs. They also have a white vase, there's a pink one, and a gray vase. I'd love to know if you would spend a little extra for these vases at Dollar Tree. Let me know down in the comments which of these items you'll be picking up at your Dollar Tree, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.